Saving money versus investing money. At 25 years old, Alex and Jordan start their careers on the same day, same salary, same expenses, same dreams. But they make a different decision. Alex chooses to save. Jordan chooses to invest. Alex puts money into a savings account every month, emergency fund first, then more savings. Alex likes certainty. The balance never goes down. No stress, no surprises. When small emergencies happen, Alex is ready. Jordan also sets money aside, but after a small emergency fund, Jordan starts investing. Stocks, index funds, long-term plays. Some months go well. Other months feel uncomfortable. The balance goes up, then down. Jordan keeps going. By 30, Alex has a solid savings account. Stable, predictable. Jordan's investments are volatile. Higher than Alex's savings one year, lower the next. Alex feels safe. Jordan feels patient. At 35, inflation quietly does its job. Alex's money is still there. However, it doesn't buy as much as it did before. Jordan's investments, despite the ups and downs, have started to compound. Time is doing the heavy lifting. At 45, both face a setback. Alex handles it easily. Savings do their job. Jordan struggles briefly. But don't panic. Years of investing have built momentum. By 55, the difference is clear. Alex has security, enough to stay comfortable. Jordan has growth, options, flexibility, freedom. The lesson isn't that Alex was wrong, or that Jordan was reckless. It's that money behaves differently based on how long you give it and what role you assign it. Saving protects your present. Investing compounds your future. The real question is, at your current age, are you still protecting your present? Or are you already compounding your future?